What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be honing the cylinder out of my Cat 300. So the reason I didn't film taking the engine all apart was because you guys wouldn't have really been able to see anything. It was really tight space because I didn't want to take the engine and everything out. So I figured I might as well show you guys what the problem was and honing the cylinder out here. So when we took it apart, we saw that the wrist pin was seized on the piston. So it was very stiff to move it, and that resulted in all these scratches on the side of the piston. Also, the oil ring was stuck. So every time the piston went to the bottom of the cylinder, oil would pool up in the bottom, which is why it was smoking so bad. And then on the cylinder here, it's got a little dirt I'm gonna clean up still. You can see the little scratch marks, which they aren't too bad. None of them are deep, so which is good, surprisingly. So those should be able to clean up, no problem. So I got my hone over here, and we're gonna see how this works. So first, I'm just gonna clean out the cylinder and then spray some lubricant on it, and we'll be good. All right, so let's get some brake cleaner here. I'm just gonna spray this thing up and wipe it. There we go, that looks nice and clean. So, got some oil here. So, spray on these. All right, I'll do that a couple more times and then we should be good. All right guys, so I got it all done. So I'm just gonna wipe it down and see how it turned out. Alrighty, so get some light for you guys. You can see there's still a tiny bit of scratching on the inside. On the sides, but they're not deep at all. You can't feel them or anything. And you can see there's plenty of cross hatching in there. So it should be plenty good for this four-wheeler. It ran before other than some smoke, so it should run way better now. I got the new piston here. So the rings are gonna be in there. Here's the new wrist pin, the clips for it, and a nice shiny new piston. That's pretty nice. I don't see the reflection of the camera. Alright guys, that's kind of today's video. I know it was a pretty quick one. I just figured I'd show you guys an update on the machine and show you what I can, even though I can't show you guys what I've been doing on the engine since you wouldn't really be able to see anything. So hopefully you guys still enjoyed it and maybe learned something. But other than that guys, be sure to subscribe down below because it really helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.